Welcome to a video from Digitallife.com. In this video I'm going to check out this USB-C omnidirectional microphone from Digitallife. It's USB, includes a USB cable, plug it in and you can use it with Teams calls, Skype calls, Zoom calls, music recording, whatever you want to do with it. You can record audio, capturing audio. So I'm currently using my USB mic and I'm going to swap that out and use this and see how it sounds. But before I do that, I'm just going to show you what's in the box. So in the box we have a USB Type A to Type C cable, a braided cable on there, a nice sturdy cable which is really good. It's not a sort of a cheap plasticky one, that's good. And then the actual microphone itself, it's actually quite a heavy solid unit, so with a volume control on there, headphone outputs on the back and USB-C on there. It feels very sturdy and it's got sort of rubber feet on there so it can go on the desk. So what I'm going to do now is stick it on the desk and let's see how it sounds. So there you can see it, I've got it plugged in on the desk and I'm actually using that now. The idea of this is it's 360 omnidirectional, so you don't have to be pointing at it, not like it's sort of a desktop microphone that you would use for podcasting or something like that. This is really good for putting it in the middle of a room so you can have audio from all around the room, so you can stick it on the desk in a meeting room. Everybody in the room should be able to be picked up by the microphone. It's not a speaker, so the weight actually is the microphone itself. Like I said, it has got a headphone output on the back there so that you can connect it to a headphone if you want to. But the idea is this is a microphone. You've got mute button, simple like that. It's USB-C and there's a cable included as well for USB sort of Type A. No drivers needed, so you just put it on the desk, plug it in, and it's going to work straight away. Work with Team calls, Zoom calls, and if you want to do podcasts, roundtable discussions, it'll work with the podcasting software as well. So a nice little microphone, 32 quid. It's nice and substantial. It's got a good solid metal feel to it. It's metal around the outside here as well. So hopefully this audio quality sounds good going through the recording that I've done. You can find out more on Digitallife.com. I'm @ISDixon on Twitter. Hope you like our videos. You can like them and subscribe on our YouTube channel.